So we are basically here to condemn what happened yesterday. So yesterday we went to the streets to demand justice for Albert Ojwang. And serikali ikazidi kutuongezea kidonda. Instead of them giving us justice, they went ahead and hired goons to come and attack us. They went ahead and shoot us. So we are here to announce today that tomorrow is going to be a national holiday. We are going to close the nation briefly for innovation. We cannot continue with the normalcy when the government we elected is killing us. Tomorrow we will be on the streets demanding justice for Albert Ojwang, Boniface Karaoke, who was shot. A guy was just hustling, he was just doing business, and then the police shot him. I personally have served as a police officer, and what happened yesterday at Joy Fukufunzo Aqua Training College, we demand that the government arrest the person responsible for shooting Boniface. I've served as a police officer, and what happened is inhumane, and the police officer responsible for the shooting should be arrested. We are calling for the resignation of the CS of the Interior. He's the most incompetent CS we've ever had, our Interior, since independence. People are dying left, right, and center. The police responsible for killing those people are not being arrested. Hakuna justice tunafanyiwa.